What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Tuesday, and we're here to do some development. What is that development work, you might ask? We're going to be writing the algorithm insertion sort in good old Python. All right, yeah, we're doing it in Python, but just take a moment. Look at this. Look how thick this book is. That's crazy. Nonsense. Just kidding. It has a bunch of information that you should probably consider checking out if you like to read books. However, today we're doing insertion sort, and we're going to jump right into it because I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's get to it. Here we are inside of JetBrains PyCharm. Yes, this beautiful, elegant design of a UI that we get to develop Python in. We're going to get right to it because this video should be short, just like I said. So with that said, we got all our stuff already sorted out, so I'm going to run through that really quickly. You see my previous videos, which you can check on my channel. You know that I run through all the stuff that we write over and over again to prevent us from doing that. So we have a read file function, which just basically opens a file to read that's passed down. We got an array of numbers that we just append each line to, and then we close the file and we return it. We're done. And we got this print nums function that just brings in the numbers and loops through them, so that way we don't have to keep writing this for loop every time we want to print these numbers out. We just simply pass them numbers down through print nums function and it would do the work for us. So, and last but not least, we got our insertion sort function, which does so much logic it will blow your mind. Yes, look at all that. So that's what we're gonna write right now. The English language, god damn it. This is what we're going to work with right now. Insertion sort, we have our variables all set to 10 numbers and 10,000 numbers, all random. We have our numbers array, we read file, we print the numbers, and then we pass it down to insertion sort to print them again so we can see the difference. However, for 10,000 numbers, I'm just going to read the file, pass it to insertion sort, and print the numbers because 10,000 numbers is a lot, and to do it over again twice is a little bit costly. You will know what I mean when we run it because it does take a little bit, so let's jump into it. We declare no variables inside of Python because we just declare them and use them right away. So for I in range, it is quite different than our previous videos in Java and C++. So we want to start at 1 and go up to the length of numbers, and then we're going to need a v variable, which is going to hold numbers. This is going to hold I. And then I keep wanting to put a semicolon on the end, but we don't do that here. So j is equal to I minus 1, and now this is where we need a while loop, if I can speak correctly, is j, while j is greater than or equal to 0, and this is where it messes me up, jumping between languages, because it is not that, or that, but instead, literally the word end. It's just pseudocode. Somebody took Python and took pseudocode and made Python from it. And I'm not complaining because it's easy. There we go. Numbers, and then, numbers j is going to be greater than v. And if it is, we are going to jump down here and say numbers. J plus 1 is going to be equal to numbers j, because we're going to swap them. And then we're going to decrease j by 1 until we run down to 0. And we can actually go ahead and jump on out of this while loop while we're still in the for loop. Keep in mind the indentations because I can mess your program up slightly. So numbers j plus 1, if I can type here, plus 1 is going to be equal to v. And yeah, that is insertion sort. So you know what line comes next, so let's say it with me now. Let's run it and see what we get. I should get that on a t-shirt. Anyway, let's go ahead and do that. Go run insertion sort. There's 1 through 10. Waiting on 1 through 10,000. There it is. Finally completes. Takes a couple seconds. So here we got our low digits on this end. And if we just scale on up, keep going. Oh, there we go. Whew! Python. That's some tough work. Whew, man. Just kidding, as you can see. Just like all my previous videos, this algorithm's super short and quick and simple to write, especially in Python and probably Node and C++ and Java. But don't worry, it is going to get more complicated as the time progresses. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you want to learn that or see how we do that. And hit the like button if you learn something new. As always, thank you for tuning in. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I don't know where you guys are coming from, but thank you, because we've gained a bunch in the last couple days. So forever grateful for you guys. Thank you again for tuning in, and hope to see you guys next time. Deuces.